In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a trading journal with win rate tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use workspace that helps you record trades and automatically track your win rate, all without building anything from scratch. First, open your Notion workspace. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser, whatever you normally use. Make sure you are on a page where you can easily add new content, like your main workspace homepage. This gives you a clean spot to bring in your trading journal. Next, head to the Templates section. You'll find the Templates gallery in the sidebar. Open it and look for the search bar at the top of the gallery. In that search bar, type exactly Trading Journal Win Tracker. This focuses the results so you see options that already include a win rate component, saving you time and setup effort. You should now see a collection of templates related to trading journals and win rate tracking. Some will be minimal with a simple table and a percentage field. Take a moment to scan the previews and descriptions so you understand what each one offers, especially how it calculates win rate and how entries are structured. When you find a template that matches your style, select it. Choosing a template that fits how you think about trades, whether that's highly structured with tags and categories or lean and fast, will make it much easier to use consistently. Opening the template preview lets you confirm the layout and fields, and then adding it to your workspace is as simple as selecting it to bring it in. Finally, your trading journal will open in Notion, ready to go. You'll typically see a database where you can log trades with fields like date, instrument, direction, entry and exit result, and a win or loss flag. Most win rate templates include a formula that calculates your percentage of winning trades, and some offer summary sections for quick performance snapshots. Take a quick look through any sample entries to understand how the win rate is derived. If the template includes example data, you can keep it for reference or remove it later. As you start using the journal, consistency in how you fill out each entry will make your stats accurate and meaningful over time. That's it. Your trading journal with a built-in win rate tracker is now set up in Notion. Thanks for watching.